guys, I'm Samantha, and today we're starting a new thing called Spin the Wheel Sunday, where we're going to be spinning for prizes.
Should I hold it?
And you have to race me for a season pass down Tomcat Racers.
Alright, so how confident are you that you're gonna beat her?
Well, I'm pretty confident. I've been training for like 6 months for this. I won my last round, so I'm ready to go.
You guys understand the safety rules? All right, 3, 2, 1, go!